Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Jessica
and I'm Jennifer,
and today we're going to be showing you guys how to make Chebe oil. You guys know we've shown you guys how to make Chebe before. We actually will insert a video down below so you can watch that, where we mixed the Chebe with some Castor oil. We left it in our hair for about 3 days and we washed it off, and we told you guys the benefits of Chebe.
But one thing we noticed was Chebe is really messy. So because it was such a messy procedure, I got a lot of comments from you guys saying you would like to see how to make Chebe oil or Chebe butter. So in this video we'll be showing you how to make Chebe oil.
Yes, so stay tuned.
Finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon.
So now we will be transferring the Chebe into a measuring cup. We usually eyeball this amount, but I'll say it ended up being about 3 heaped tablespoons.
We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the flame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me. Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me.
Now you can use any oils of your choice, but today we'll be using Fenugreek Oil and also coconut oil. On both we actually used about 60 ml. We also added in a few drops of peppermint essential oil, which is really good for stimulating hair growth.
Smell all the roses. Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me.
Make sure to mix the Chebe in thoroughly with the oils till it is no longer clumpy. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, we can't jump the rooftop. To strain the oil from the Chebe, we'll be using a wig cap. Now many people use stockings and some people use a cheesecloth. You can actually use either of those, but we just had a wig cap available, so that's what we chose to use.
you guys have seen our procedure for making Chebe oil, we're going to show you how we're going to use it on our hair. This is our nighttime routine where we just moisturize our hair. We usually use water. We have a little bit of aloe vera juice in this and a little bit of rosemary drops, essential oil. So we just mix all of that in here and we spray this mist on our hair just to moisturize our hair. Then we're going to use the Chebe oil to actually lock in that moisture. So we're going to show you guys how we do that. Yes. One thing you also need to know about Chebe and Chebe oil is it's best used on the tips of your hair. Chebe is amazing for length retention, and this is the reason why when you put it on the tips of your hair, it protects it, it gives it that coating that protects it from breakage and protects it from split ends and friction, and that allows you to hold on to your length. So this is amazing for the tips of your hair. Guys, as you can see, we're really emphasizing on putting this at the tips of our hair. I feel like this is the oldest part of your hair. It sheds a lot and it suffers the most, so it's best to put a lot of oil on the tips of your hair.
And Chebe is very good for retaining length and strengthening your ends.
So guys, we are done with our moisturize and seal routine using the Chebe oil, and this oil, it smells like a mixture of coconut, a mixture of olive oil, and a mixture of the earthy smell that just smells like soil. Yeah, you know Chebe has like an earthy soil kind of smell, so it also has a hint of that, and I can also smell a little bit of peppermint, which we actually put a few drops of. So this is how we make Chebe oil, and this is how we apply it. If you actually like this routine, you can try it and let us know how it works for you. And if you've tried this before, let us know down in the comment section below how you made your Chebe oil, and we hope you actually took something from this video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!